Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by safeguarding your chats and confirming system readiness. Back up WhatsApp now so you can recover messages if something goes wrong. Once done, enable Install Unknown Apps for the browser or file manager you'll use to open the APK. This lets you sideload safely. Make sure you free at least 100 MB and note your Android version so you choose a compatible APK because mismatched builds fail to install. Next, you find and download the correct APK. Choose a reputable source and pick the stable build that matches your Android version. This prevents incompatibility errors. Download the app directly in your phone browser or transfer it from a computer via USB. Once downloaded, check the file size and any signature or checksum if provided. Verifying prevents corrupted installs. If the browser warns, confirm that you enabled unknown sources for that app before tapping the file to install. Finally, install the APK and finalize WhatsApp setup. Tap the downloaded file, accept install prompts, and open WhatsApp to verify your phone number. Restore your backup when prompted so messages return. This is why you backed up first. If installation fails, clear the package installer app cache and retry, or choose an adjacent compatible APK version. Sometimes the newest build conflicts with older OEM firmware. If problems persist,
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.